America's energy industry is booming. We're talking wind, solar, transmission lines, the whole shebang. But here's the catch. We need skilled workers to build it all. Welders, electricians, engineers. These folks are the backbone of this energy revolution. Companies like Invenergy are stepping up big time. They're investing billions in new projects and creating thousands of jobs. But finding enough skilled workers is a real challenge. That's why Invenergy is not just building power plants, they're building a workforce. They're partnering with trade schools and creating their own training programs. They know that investing in people is just as important as investing in steel and solar panels. This is more than just building an energy grid. It's about building a future for American workers. These are good-paying jobs that can't be outsourced. And they're the kind of jobs that build communities and strengthen our nation. Let's talk about those training programs. Invenergy's partnering with community colleges and trade schools to create customized courses. They're teaching the specific skills needed to build and maintain these new energy projects. Think of it like a boot camp for the energy industry. And it's not just for high school grads. These programs are perfect for folks looking to switch careers or learn new skills. Maybe you've been laid off from a factory job or are just tired of your dead-end gig. The energy industry offers a fresh start and a chance to be part of something big. These programs aren't just about textbooks and classrooms. You'll get hands-on experience working alongside seasoned pros. You'll learn the ropes, build your skills, and earn while you learn. It's the kind of opportunity that can change your life. Invenergy's not messing around. They've got an $11 billion plan to build new energy projects all over the country. We're talking massive wind farms, solar arrays that stretch for miles, and transmission lines to connect it all. This is about powering America's future with clean, reliable energy, and they're not waiting for the government to figure it out. Invenergy's CEO, Michael Polsky, knows that we need to act now. He's putting his money where his mouth is, making big bets on America's energy future. But they can't do it alone. We need our elected officials to step up and provide clear rules and consistent support for these projects. We need permits to get approved faster, and we need policies that encourage investment in clean energy. This is about creating jobs, boosting our economy, and securing America's energy independence. This is just the beginning. As our population grows and technology advances, we're going to need even more energy. That means building more wind farms, solar plants, and transmission lines. It means training thousands more skilled workers to get the job done. We need to think big and act boldly. We need to invest in our workforce, support American innovation, and embrace the energy revolution. This is our chance to build a brighter future powered by clean energy and built by American hands. Let's get to work. Invenergy, a global leader in energy solutions, is making a bold move. They are investing $11 billion to bolster America's power grid. This is a significant investment in the nation's future. It is the largest electricity infrastructure initiative in U.S. history. One key component is the Grain Belt Express. This 800-mile transmission line will stretch from Kansas to Indiana. The Grain Belt Express alone represents a $1.7 billion commitment. This massive undertaking will add 5,000 megawatts of capacity to the grid. This is enough to power millions of homes and businesses. The project is set to begin construction in 2026 and is expected to be operational by late 2029. Invenergy's investment comes at a critical time. The US power grid is facing unprecedented demand. This demand is only expected to grow in the coming years. The rise of artificial intelligence is a major factor driving the need for more electricity. AI requires massive amounts of processing power, which translates into huge energy consumption. Data centers, the backbone of the digital economy, are also energy intensive. As more data is generated and stored, the demand for electricity will continue to soar. Furthermore, there is a renewed push for domestic manufacturing in the United States. This resurgence in manufacturing will place additional strain on the existing power grid. Factories require a reliable and abundant supply of electricity to operate. Without it, economic growth and job creation will be stifled. Invenergy's project is not just about meeting the growing demand for electricity. It is also about securing America's energy independence. By strengthening the national grid, the US can reduce its reliance on foreign energy sources. This is essential for national security and economic stability. While oil prices are currently low, the focus is on building a resilient and sustainable energy infrastructure for the future. Renewable energy sources such as wind and solar will play an increasingly important role. However, these sources require a robust transmission system to deliver electricity to where it is needed. The construction of the Grain Belt Express and other grid modernization projects will create thousands of high-paying jobs. An estimated 22,000 jobs, primarily in construction and skilled trades, will be generated. This will provide a much-needed boost to the economy. However, there is a challenge. The US faces a shortage of skilled labor in these fields. To address this, construction companies like Quanta Services and Kiewit Energy Group are stepping up. They are investing in workforce development programs to train the next generation of electricians and linemen. The new administration recognizes the importance of this project. They are committed to streamlining the permitting process and reducing regulatory barriers. This will help accelerate the construction timeline and ensure the project's success. A stronger, more reliable power grid is not just about keeping the lights on, it is the foundation for a brighter future. It will enable continued innovation, drive economic growth, and enhance America's global competitiveness.